Hello everyone, welcome to Sankap Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 18 of chapter Structure of Atom. An electron in an excited hydrogen atom falls from fifth energy level to second energy level. In which of the following regions the spectral line will be observed and is part of which series of the atomic spectrum? We know there are different series, Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, Pfund. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೀಳಲಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್. This is n is equal to 1, this is n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Okay, itara. Now, when electron falls from any energy level to second energy level, then, yes, in which of the following regions anta kelidare? The atomic spectrum. Of course, it is Balmer series. ಇದು Balmer series ಗೆ belong ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Balmer series ಅಂದ್ರೆ visible region. So the correct option is option A, visible region and Balmer series. Option B, ultraviolet Lyman, wrong. If electron is jumping to n is equal to 1 state or first energy level state, then it will be Lyman series. Option C, infrared Paschen, no. This is wrong. Option D, Brackett, wrong. So the option A, visible and Balmer. This is correct. Thank you.